How to use Taptap Send to send money. If you want to use Taptap Send to send money, it's very simple. First, you open the Taptap Send app and you want to make sure that you log into your account. So you can tap on the login button that you would be able to find here. Now here you can simply select the currency you want to send in and the currency you want them to receive in. After that, you will be able to basically enter and see the current amount that you can find there, and then after that you will be able to simply press next and enter the recipient's detail like their bank account number and other options as such. Then after that, simply tap on change to select your wallet, then tap pay with to complete the transaction. This way you should be able to use Taptap to send and confirm the transaction. I hope that this video pretty much helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.